Hi fellow travelers, I am Mel and this series is about sharing with you cool and useful travel items. Today we'll talk about this spork. The folding trekking cutlery from Forkless by Decathlon. This spork is not your ordinary plastic spork. Kasi ang mga ordinary spork na yun, madali siyang masira pag tinutusok kapag matigas yung food, di ba? Ang spork na to does its job as a spoon and as a fork kahit hindi siya stainless. Ang material niya is polyamide. It is foldable and madali siyang i-unfold using one hand. It doesn't damage non-sticking coating. It lengths 18.5 cm and it's heat resistant up to 100 degrees Celsius and very easy to carry around because it only weighs 11 grams. Sabi sa website, ang target market ng spoon na to are trekkers and campers. But I think pwede rin to sa mga eco-friendly people. Mga taong ayaw na rin gumamit ng plastic spoon. Pwede rin to. But the downside of this product, wala siyang lalagyanan to keep it clean. So what I do, pag dinadala ko siya with me, I wrap it with tissue and then ilalagay ko siya sa plastic. So kapag tapos ko na siyang gamitin din, I do the same. I wrap it with tissue and sa plastic para pag uwi sa bahay, hugasan ko na lang siya. I've been using this for months bago mag-ECQ. Lagi siyang nasa bag ko kasi ayokong gumamit ng mga plastic utensils because I want to reduce plastic. And sa kantin kasi namin, gusto ko may sariling utensils. So, hiningi ko to sa kapatid ko. Buti binigay. So, let's talk about the price. Hulaan niyo kung magkano yung price. 150, 120, 200. No, it's only 90 pesos. And you can buy this sa Decathlon store or sa website ng Decathlon. Sulit na sulit ang 90 pesos nyo dito kasi matibay siya and very convenient. And that's it for today's episode. If you have comments, just comment down below. And if you want me to try travel items, just tag me at the Instagram stories at I am very pleased to help you guys and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!